Welcome to my little tutorial on how to make a book cover pouch. I will list all of the sizes of my paper sheets, the notebook and the materials I use down below in the description. For this project you will need a sheet of paper, glue and scissors. First, you will take out one large sheet of paper that is twice the width of your book and a bit more than 1 time your original height. Not a lot more, but about 15% more. When you have your sheet of paper in the correct size, you want to fold it in half, choose a side and cut off 2 rectangles at both of its ends. Try to cut it off in one piece and keep the pieces for later. We now fold the overlapping parts 3 times. It doesn't have to be perfect, just try to fold 1/3 at a time. The flaps are there to give our pouch space to open up. If we only paste one paper on top of another, the pouch will not have room for content. Now we fold the paper again. Take out glue and paste the outermost of our 3 folds on top of the other paper. To make the construction more stable and sturdy, we will take our previously cut off rectangles and glue it on top of the overlapping paper. Let it dry if possible under pressure, for example beneath some books. You can now cut the pouch to your book's width, if you haven't done so at the beginning. And now we simply glue the pouch onto the inside of our back cover. Make sure there's glue everywhere by distributing the glue on a scrap piece of paper and really going over the edges. Take a blunt and thin object, for example a bone folder, and make sure there are no air bubbles or wrinkles in our paper. Close the book and let it dry once more, if possible under pressure. If you do make this book cover pouch yourself, be sure to let me know on Instagram. I'd love to see your creations. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!